Hi everyone, today I'm having butternut and fried fish, which I'm going to kickstart by peeling my butternut, cutting it into finger-sized pieces and also boiling it halfway. As that butternut is boiling, I'm going to marinate the fish using salt, white vinegar, black pepper, garlic powder and turmeric powder. I'm going to marinate the fish for about 20 minutes or so, after which I'm going to fry the fish by first running it through some flour on both sides, and make sure you shake off the flour before you add it into the oil that you're about to fry it, and fry the fish about 4 minutes on both sides. Then on this other side I'm also going to cook my butternut by adding some cooking oil in a sauce pot, frying my onions, seasoning salt, black pepper and adding my butternut, after which I'm going to plate this food as you can see on my video, and I hope you guys can try it out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and also leave a comment and share the video.